So there's a new study that just came out on aspartame, the stuff that's in things like Diet Coke and all these other different beverages, sweet and low, etc. Is it possibly linked to dementia and Alzheimer's? So I want to share with you an article that just came out in a recent study on this, and I want to definitely hear your feedback if you wouldn't mind sharing it. But anyway, let's get to it. So this was put out on the U.S. Right to Know website, very popular website in the health space, and their motto is pursuing truth and transparency for public health. This was put out August 14th, 2025. The title of the article is Aspartame Sweetener May Disrupt Blood Vessels, Raising Stroke Risk. First of its kind study that this suggests here. So basically, aspartame, the artificial sweetener found in everything from Diet Coke to sugar-free chewing gum to children's medications, which blows my mind it's in there, may risk the most common type of stroke by causing inflammation and disrupting blood vessel health and blood flow, according to new research. Basically, they're saying this increases the risk of stroke. Okay, we all know artificial sweeteners are bad, but let me scroll down here to the thing that I really want to point out here. It says, the study provides preliminary systematic insight into the potential neurotoxicity mechanism of aspartame. They found that it strongly binds and influences 5 key genes, the code for protein linked to stroke. These proteins help regulate inflammation, blood pressure, and the strength and function of blood vessels. Disruptions may, number 1, raise blood pressure, number 2, trigger inflammation in the brain and blood vessels. If you look at the research for dementia, which is an epidemic in this country, my mom is now 87 years old. We just moved her into memory care about 8 months ago, so I've seen this firsthand what it does, but it triggers inflammation in the brain, is what we classify as type 3 diabetes. If you've never heard that term before, just Google it. But the bottom line is this: that Diet Coke that you were once told was okay for you, especially if you're looking to lose weight, the aspartame, the sweet and lows, the things that have these artificial sweeteners in them, they come with a price tag. So if I could just get you to share this with one person in your life that puts a lot of this crap into their diet so that they can live a healthier lifestyle, maybe we can together make an impact on more and more people here. Anyway, love to hear your feedback on this, good or bad. We'll take whatever you got to say. But in my opinion, I think 20 years from now, 10 years from now, 5 years from now, people are going to look back and say, holy mackerel, look, when artificial sweeteners came in the late 70s, early 80s, we had the biggest spike over the last 30 years in dementia and Alzheimer's patients. It's an epidemic right now. There's not one person I know that doesn't know somebody that is suffering from this in their family. They're going to link it to definitely a couple things going on in the body, but I'm telling you right now, man, artificial sweeteners, especially aspartame, are definitely leading to this. Hopefully you got something out of this video you could apply to your life and live a healthier lifestyle. In the meantime, thank you for your time and attention. Your 2 greatest resources. We will see you on the next video. Bye-bye now.